Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss the topic science and philosophy. These means the connection between the science and the philosophy and the contribution of the Arab philosophers in this. Arabs in this. Much of the writing of the Greek and Romans were familiar to monks and clergy through the Middle Age. Beta, as I told you in the previous video that the main subjects which after the 15th century came into prominence or the interest of the people shifted to them were the subjects of the humanities. And as I told you, the people emphasized that the scholars said that for knowing about actually about any of the culture of the civilization, it is important to go back to the ancient Greek and Roman civilization. Through that, by the actual writing of the authors of that time, we can know regarding that culture more nicely. And after that, you know that the time period of the Dark Age came. And Dark Age means the absence of all these kind of the knowledge. So बेटा ऐसा नहीं था कि उस टाइम में जो है किसी को ये सारे जो वर्क थे ग्रीक और रोमन सिविलाइजेशन के जो उनके स्कॉलर्स के वर्क थे, पीपल वर टोटली इग्नोरेंट और दीज वर्क वर टोटली अननोन टू दोज पीपल. At that time also, during the time of the Dark Age, mainly the monks and the clergymen, the religious, the first order people, they had the knowledge regarding all these works. They wrote the original works of those scholars, but they did not make that work to be known by the common people. Means they don't make those work popular, taught to other people. But by the 14th century, many scholars began to read the translated work of these ancient Greek culture. And these translated work which they started to be studying, the credit of those work, those translation goes to the Arab translator, because they were the Arab translator who translated these Greek or the Latin work into the Arabic subject. And later on, when people during the 14th century, people gained the interest in the Greek and the Roman culture, then they studied the translated work of these done by the Arab scholars, like that of the work of the Plato, एरिस्टोटल. बेटा प्लूटो को अरेबिक में अफलातून के नाम से भी जाना जाता है एंड एरिस्टोटल को अरिस्टो. एंड एक्चुअली एरिस्टोटल वाज द स्टूडेंट ऑफ प्लेटो. और बोथ दीज स्कॉलर्स वर ऑफ द टाइम ऑफ द ग्रीक कल्चर, ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन, रोमन सिविलाइजेशन के टाइम में थे ये, एंड दे वर द ग्रेट स्कॉलर्स, ग्रेट फिलोसफर्स ऑफ द टाइम. So the Arab translator translated the work of these people, so that the work of these people was known to other peoples also. And when the interest during the 14th century developed in studying these things, then many European scholars also studied the translated work of these scholars, and later on they themselves translated the work into many European languages also. Firstly, the work was the Greek and the Roman culture work was translated into Arabic language, and later on it was translated to other European languages also. Here are the name of some of the Arab scholars who had their contribution in this field, like that of the Ptolemy. अब हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि पुटोलमी का जो ये वर्क है इसका कोई अरेबिक कनेक्शन है या नहीं है? सो द नेम ऑफ द वर्क ऑफ द पुटोलमी इज अल-मगास्त. सो बेटा अरेबिक जो वर्क होता है उनका एक पहचान ये होती है कि उसमें अल ट्रम एडेड होता है. फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन नो इट्स कनेक्शन विद द अरब. Okay, so the work of the Ptolemy, beta, this question is asked in many competitive exam. They give 4 options and they ask you to find out the work of the Ptolemy. So Al-Maghazi is the work of the Ptolemy. अब ये Al-Maghazi जो किताब है उनकी किस बारे में? It was the work on astronomy mainly, and it was written by Ptolemy in Greek time before 140 CE, and later on it was translated into Arabic. ओके तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है, पोटोलमी का जो ये वर्क ट्रांसलेट हुआ है अल मगास्त के नाम से, तो इसका ट्रांसलेटर अरेबिक कैसे, क्योंकि इसमें अल एडेड है। ओके और पोटोलमी ने ये जो इस एस्ट्रोनॉमी के ऊपर अपना काम किया था, ये 140 सी के करीब का है काम हुआ हुआ, विच वॉज लेटर ट्रांसलेटेड बाय द अरब स्कॉलर। अनदर स्कॉलर वॉज द इब्ने सीना। Ibn Sina, he was the Arab philosopher as well as the physician also, means a doctor who belonged to Bukhara, Central Asia. इसके अलावा एक और है अल राजी। अल राजी had wrote, he was is the author of the many medical encyclopedias। अभी भी जो लोग मेडिकल की पढ़ाई करते हैं, डॉक्टर्स बनते हैं, तो जो मेडिकल encyclopedias हैं, they know that many of those encyclopedias which are read now also were written by Al Razi। Okay, it means that he gave the basic of the science। Ibn Rushd। Ibn Rushd was the Arab philosopher of Spain। He was the Arab philosopher, but he lived in Spain, who tried to resolve the tension between the philosophical knowledge and religious belief। इन दोनों में हमेशा कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन रहता था, टकराव रहता था। रिलीजियस बिलीफ कुछ और बात कहते हैं एंड फिलोसफिकल नॉलेज जो है, फिलोसफी इज समथिंग डिफरेंट। सो व्हाट इब्न रुश्द डिड, ही रिजॉल्व द टेंशन बिटवीन दीज टू, इन दोनों को कनेक्ट किया, फिलोसफी और रिलीजन को। एंड लेटर ऑन हिज मेथड वाज आल्सो adopted by many Christian thinkers। उन्होंने भी क्या किया, अपने रिलीजन को फिलोसफिकल वे में एक्सप्लेन करने स्टार्ट किया, so that people can get connected to it more nicely through the rational mind, through the reasons। So beta, this is all about the topic science and the philosophy and its and the contribution of the Arabs in this। Thank you।